Y'all, I just did this whole tutorial video and forgot to turn on my microphone. So, I'm going to show y'all this new trend that I did. And make sure you follow me on all social sites on my link tree so you can keep up to date with new trends that are coming out. But it's called the whisper trend. So, of course, I forgot to turn on my microphone. So, this is in Instagram. And what I'm going to do is kind of show you like the behind the scenes of how I do my content. This is one of the easiest new trends that you can do. Anybody can do this trend. So it's called the whisper trend. What I'm going to do is I'm going to record it in my regular clothes, just looking normal. And then we're going to do transitions. Transitions are basically going back in to cut after you change your clothes. And I put a wig on, but we're going to do it. Now on here, I'm looking for the timer. Using the timer is essential in order for you to be able to get these trends right. You have to use the timer and make sure your volume is up, because otherwise, what's the point? But just money coming to me easily. Money. I didn't like that one. So we're going to start over. And there's a little arrow there. I didn't see it before, but there's the timer. Oh my God. Let's hit it. Just money coming. Just money coming to me easily. Money. I didn't like that, but let's look at it. Just money coming to me easily. Money, just money coming to me. So yeah, I didn't like that, so we're gonna start over. I'm kind of nervous because this is my first time really sharing like more of the behind the scenes of me creating content. So I moved the phone. It was up too high, I felt. I moved it down lower. And we're gonna do the timer again. Just money coming to me easily. Okay, I like that cut. So we're going to do the other side. Ready? Timer. Money coming in and easily. Money coming in and needed me. Money. All right. I like that. I like it. Okay. Let's do something else. Okay. There's a lot of pressure to do this to show y'all the behind the scenes, but we're going to get it done. Okay. Now we're going to set the timer again. All right, timer set. You ready? Let's do it. Money coming in repeatedly. All right, so I want to try this trend that I saw earlier. We got to try it. Timer set. Money coming, it's just money coming, it's just money coming in frequently. Money coming in to be with me. Money coming. Okay, so now that I got that part done, I'm going to do the last part. Money coming in secretly. Money coming, it's just money coming. Just money coming to me easily. Money coming in and needed me. Money coming in repeatedly. Money coming, it's just money coming. It's just money coming in frequently. Money coming in to be with me. Money coming in secretly. Money coming, it's just money coming to me easily. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click edit video at the bottom. And I'm going to do my makeup. All right, makeup's done. So I'm going to go in and I did click one of the clips when I was doing the first whisper and I deleted it. I forgot to record that. Sorry, guys. This is new for me to share with y'all. So we're going to do this one clip over again and reorder it. Let's do it. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the edit screen and we're going to click reorder so I can put that in the second position where I want the transition to come through. And you're like, oh, she changed hair. She changed everything. That's kind of like the point. But I got to make it smooth, so we're going to trim that down. If you select any of the film inside of Instagram or any other tool, you can trim it down by moving the arrow. Or you can split it. Trimming it is easier. Now, I'm going to discard it because I didn't like it, but I am going to redo it again. So I'm going to hit add clip. Just to make sure that I get the timing right and it looks clean. Now, I already know what it says is not the right audio. All right. Now we're going to reorder that clip again so it can say the right thing at the right time. Right there. Done.
Just money coming to me easily. Money coming in and needed me. Money coming in.
All right. Now you kind of need to trim it a little bit to make it smoother.
Money coming in and needed me. Money
right there.
Easily. Money coming in and needed me. Money coming in repeatedly. Money coming, it's just money coming, it's just money coming in frequently.
Now I'm going to trim it right there because we don't need to see that extra. And then we're going to delete this footage and re-record it in our new look. Let's hit the timer.
Money coming in to be with me. Money coming in secretly. Money coming is just money.
All right. I didn't like it mainly because I moved the camera too quickly.
Money coming in and needed me. Money coming in repeatedly. Money coming is just money coming is just money coming in frequently. Money coming in to be with me.
See, it wasn't a smooth transition, so we're going to delete it. And we're going to, no, not add text. We're going to add clips and redo it. Timer set.
Money coming in to be with me. Money coming in secretly. Money coming is just money coming in. Money coming in to be with me. Money coming in secretly. Money coming is just money coming in. Just money coming to me easily. Money coming in and needed me. Money coming in repeatedly. Money coming is just money coming is just money coming in frequently. Money coming in to be with me. Money coming in secretly. Money coming is just money coming in. Just money coming to me easily. Money coming in and needed me. Money coming in repeatedly. Money coming is just money coming is just money coming in frequently. Money coming in to be with me. Money coming in to be with me.